Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the difference between the parameters and the arguments. Now, what are the parameters? Parameters are the variables, or we can say the placeholders, which we are declaring by defining the function. As an example, you can see here is the function named as myfunc, and in the parenthesis I have passed n. Here n is the parameter, or you can say a variable. Okay. Now, where is the arguments? Arguments are the values or the actual values which we are passing while calling the function. Here we have called the function myfunc and passed 6. Now, what is 6? 6 is an argument or the value which is passed inside the variable n. Okay. So, this is the basic difference between the parameters and the arguments. I hope it is clear to all of you. If you like my video, kindly share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.